Nurse Paul, I think it would be beneficial to conduct an educational program for parents on child health and safety. We can provide them with valuable information and address any concerns they may have.
That's a great idea, Dr. Mihira. What topics should we cover in the program?
We can discuss common childhood illnesses, preventive measures, and first aid techniques. We can also provide information on nutrition, sleep, and child development.
How can we ensure that parents attend the program?
We can send out invitations and reminders. We can also offer incentives, such as childcare or refreshments.
Dr. Mihira, should we invite parents of all ages or focus on specific age groups?
We can tailor the program to different age groups. For example, we can focus on infant care for parents of newborns and toddlers.
Mihira, I understand that you're going through a lot right now, and we're here to support you every step of the way. We want to talk a little bit about your fistula and how you can help it become strong and ready for future treatments. One incredibly helpful tool we often recommend is a simple exercise ball. Using this exercise ball is a gentle yet effective way to help your fistula mature properly. When you gently squeeze and release the ball, it encourages the muscles in your arm to contract, which in turn helps to strengthen the vein that forms your fistula. Think of it like a muscle getting stronger with exercise. The vein needs to become robust and resilient. This regular, gentle exercise significantly increases the blood flow through the fistula. Over time, this increased blood flow helps the vein to widen and its walls to thicken, making it more prominent and durable. Essentially, it helps the fistula grow into a healthy, strong, and reliable access point for your future dialysis treatments, making it much easier and more comfortable for nurses and doctors to access when the time comes. This maturation process is vital for ensuring the longevity and effectiveness of your fistula, ultimately making your dialysis journey smoother. We truly encourage you to incorporate this simple exercise into your daily routine. Do you have any questions about this, or are there any other concerns you'd like to discuss today?